fa, nga, la, mo, nu, pi, sa, ti, di, he, ke, ro. Important things to remember, G's are always pronounced like ng, as in song, ngaluenga, tangi. Also, N's are sometimes pronounced like G's. Nofo, ngofo. P is like a puff of air. Pepe, polo. T's can be pronounced T or K. Ta'avale, ka'avale. H, K, and R words are likely adopted from other languages or slang. R's are often pronounced as L's, as in Maria, Malia, Gerisimasi, Gelisimasi. The vowels are A, E, I, O, U. This apostrophe is also called a taofi or fa'ataofi or kamaliliu. It abruptly starts or stops a vowel. So fa'a, be'a. This long thing emphasizes vowels. So instead of a, it's a, and it can change the whole word, like tama or tama. Some rules: pronounce everything. There's no silent letters. When vowels are together, they kind of blend. Sometimes they sound like something else, like fayaonga. There's no Y in there, but when they're said together, the vowels kind of sound like a Y. Fayaonga. Join our live class at TaoForTalk.com.